let us talk about number three, which is marginalization or the total rows and total column. So normally, if you see the table, the unpivot table like this, and then you want to produce a total total column like this, uh, I I think most of you use the one on the one column on the left, one column on the top, and then the value like this. And I wouldn't recommend this one. So normally you will use check on the for example mapped here or provided here like this. And then the second one is that to take check the FY. Uh, and then sum the values together like this. So that's how we basically do pivot in Outreach and Power BI and then Excel as well. So you can see here the pivot look like this. Now I'm not happy with this solution because whenever I want to change the whole process, I have to update like all the places. So later, if I want to sort the column and then do the whole process from here, I have to select the column I want, and then from the pivot here, if I want to sort this one by the left, and I have to change the column name here from, for example, by market to by segment, something like that. And if I want to simplify my view from the total like this, from the total level like this to the only the cost and the revenue. I cannot do that easily, so I have to repeat the whole process. And even worse, if I want to put the month and the year next to each other, like this, I also find myself in trouble as well. Okay, so that's why I won't recommend this one. And then I recommend the first one I need you to do is to make the view top column here, and then view left column which is derived from other columns. So for example, in this case, the view top actually match with the FY. The view left is actually mapped with the combination of both the this column, which is the map revenue mapped account, and then this one is the provided account. So basically, you have two views. So provided meaning that your company uh, your target company or your client company provide you the numbers. But then if you are in Big Four, you have to provide your own checks and your own views on the data as well. So you have to map your your provided columns in account into your checking account, and then this map comes in, right? So this is why I need to, in this view, actually, I want to see uh, where does the mapped revenue cost come from and revenue comes from. So I see here, if I see the overall picture, I see these are the numbers I want to check against the lead or the total of the company. But in here, I can see the details on the breakdown of the cost. So for example, this one has the doctor cost, power, utility, and rental, and other costs as well. Revenue also the same thing. So um, so these two views actually they are the same, but then they can be made in the same process as well. So in here, if you see the top is FY and then the view is like this, but in here the top is still FY, but then the view is like just a mapped column only, and they are actually the same, the same process. Okay, so in the third one, this one will be a little bit more complicated. So if you see the numbers here, you see there are two parts. The first part A, is just the fiscal number, and this was the monthly number. You can combine all of them together in the same place. And then you can use this process as well. So let me simplify this view by only focusing on the cost and the revenue. I don't want to break down anymore. So how can I do that? It will be very easy. So you can see because of this structure, it will be very easy for you to do whatever you want like this. Uh, so if you want the cost and revenue only. So you map this one with the map, and then that's it. I think that's all about it, and then done. And then you can see here the two views in the same process as well. So to be honest, I don't know if those numbers are right or wrong at the moment. But if they are right, all of them will be right because they are in the same process. And if you can see, you can check one of them is wrong, then you have to check the other one in the same way. So in that case, there are two things we need to talk about. The first thing is like the consistency across all the work stream. So number one, number two, number three, number four, they are all consistent. And number three is like we can detect errors from one, and then we can check the other in the same process as well. If you have macro, then even better because you can put all of them in the same macro, and then you just use you can fix the macro, and then everybody will be in the same page. So that's the power of the macros and the common item. So if you have the common item to reuse, then it will save you a lot of time, and then also it keep you consistent because just one macro for all the places. Okay, so again, this one is on this item on number three, marginalization with total and columns and row.